Who doesn't want to have beautiful, radiant hair? People with pretty, healthy hair transmit both beauty and a sense of self-care and respect. The problem is that every day we expose our hair to harmful factors such as the sun's harsh rays, the chlorine present in water, and even pollution. This ends up making our strands appear dull and lifeless. In order to solve this problem, it's important to condition your hair frequently to make it soft and shiny. This is, however, easier said than done. Although there are many moisturizing products on the market, they're almost always expensive and not targeted at our specific hair type. So with this in mind, today we're going to teach you a wonderful recipe that promises to make your hair look prettier, add volume, and even get rid of those pesky grays. The main ingredient in this recipe is ginger, which comes from a plant that has been used for medicinal purposes for a long time. When it comes to our hair, ginger is a powerful ally. It's rich in minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids, which strengthen our strands and fight breakage and hair loss. Ginger also stimulates blood circulation to our scalp, making it easier for nutrients to reach our hair and stimulate growth. Here's what you'll need. 1 medium-sized piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 5 or 7 capsules of vitamin E. The amount depends on the thickness and length of your hair. Start by washing the piece of ginger. Once it's washed, peel and grate it. Next, mix the grated ginger with the other ingredients in a blender. Then just apply it to your hair and wrap it in a shower cap. Let the mixture sit for about 40 minutes. After the time is up, rinse your hair again and wash it with your usual shampoo. It's recommended that you repeat this process at least once a week. In a few weeks, you'll notice the results. We also suggest that you perform an allergy test by applying some of the mixture to a small area of your skin and let it sit for a few minutes. If no allergic reaction occurs, you can proceed as instructed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.